everyone, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am so far, and I have high hopes for the rest of today. I probably get a little time to craft. I'm supposed to be getting new internet today, so you guys know if you've watched my channel for any length of time how terribly slow my internet is and how awful it's been. So fingers crossed for that. I've been waiting a long time. So today we're going to start out the video with a haul from Lifescraft. And then also we have 4 journals from Cathy that are going to be added to the shop. They're beautiful and I really think you're going to love them. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of this cover so you get an idea of what we have to look forward to. But we're going to start off with a small haul from Lifescraft. They sent me these items. I will be doing a video next week playing with them, but I'm doing one just as a haul right now in case you want to go ahead and order any of these or check out their website. Their website will be in the description box below, as well as a coupon code specifically for you guys. And so let's see what they sent. So I have an embossing folder. They let me pick what they sent me, so that was awesome. So there's this feathers embossing folder. I collect embossing folders. I love them, but I'm a little on the picky side. I like them to be patterns or nature most of the time. And you all know how much I love birds, and I don't think I have a feather one, and I love this pattern. I think it's so pretty, and some of them are colored in and some are open. So we'll definitely be playing with this. And then I got some dies. These are pine cones, and there's some of the little branches too. But I thought that these were amazing. And what I absolutely loved about this when I picked them out, I can't wait to actually, cut some of them out and show you, is that the pine cone, it's just one, there's no layering. I am not a layering die person. Doesn't mean I don't love the concept. I'm just too busy, always trying to do more and not slow down and layer dies. It's just a weird quirk I have. So I love how you get all of the detail and texture with just one pass through. And so I thought that would be great. This is marketed as a Christmas die, but for me, it's nature and woodland. So I'm super happy about that. I also got this cute little fan for like my vintage journals. I also love vintage ladies, vintage fashion, and I thought that would be beautiful. Also, maybe any Oriental type journals, that would also be beautiful. This die, I saw an example of it, which is why I wanted to get it. It's like a frame, like a little picture frame thing. And so I thought putting different images behind them and turning it like into a pocket or a journal card would be great. So we'll have to play with that. And then this is a stamp. I love background stamps, and I love how grungy the background is, as well as these gorgeous little wildflowers. So I got that. And then I got some bling, a little baggie of bling. That'll be so much fun to use. It's kind of just a mixed bag, which is really nice. I did get a stamp pad. This is a metallic dazzle one, and this is like a gold color, a bronze gold color, and I'm excited to try that out as well. And then some butterfly appliques. So like I said, this is just a haul. I'll be doing a video next week if you want to see some of my ideas for using these. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. They're prettier than they were on the website. So if you want to see any ideas, some of the things I'm going to be doing with them, make sure you're subscribed and keep checking back, because next week I will have another video using some of these. You won't want to miss that. So you can find a link to Lifescraft down below, as well as the coupon. So fun little haul. Now on to Cathy's journals. This is the first journal she sent. I love these birds. They're on fabric. And then all of this kind of mossy lace looking. Got a beautiful flower, fabric covered, 3 signatures. Nice wide size if you like a little bit of extra room. This is called Beautiful Birds. And so she's used items from her stash as well as some of my digitals. So that is fun. I gotta go let my puppy in. He's crying at the door. Okay. You know I love birds, so anytime I get to see a bird journal, it's one of my hummingbird pages. I thought I'll mention again, since this is from Industrial Hum, one of my kits. since I did a video on it yesterday, and you can check that video out, but it was a short video, and usually those don't get as many views, but I am bringing back Vintage Image Club just for the month, for the rest of this year, 2022. And in celebration of that, I have a sale, and it's on the homepage of my website. So it's only $15. It's a lifetime, one-time fee. You always have access. And I'll be adding a new folder every week for the remainder of the year, but there's already between 250 and 300 folders in there that you will get instant access to. So I thought I'd mention that again. Look at these beautiful grungy papers. Oh, I'm really into hand dyeing and grunging papers right now. There's more from Industrial Hum. So I take note when I see other artists do it. Look at that blue thread. Gorgeous. So the way I use my threads in my sewing machine is just whatever color is in there, I use it up before I put a new color. And I have not used a blue in a very long time. I think I have a burgundy in there right now. So that blue is stunning. And depending upon how much I'm sewing and how much thread is on there, I might be stuck with a color for a while. Using the Industrial Hum, very beautiful. Ooh, pretty purple cardstock. Kind of like hummingbird garden theme. Very pretty. I know somebody's going to love that. It's gorgeous. Oh, my kitties are making a ruckus. This is the second one. Isn't that pretty blue? Look at that. It's a fun image, layered fabric. Let's take a peek. This is called the Queen. So graphic 45 and then from her stash. And you can see here we've got some boho fabric. Lots of, yeah, you can tell graphic 45. That's cute. Little bags as pockets. Little tags in a tuck spot. And she, oh, beautiful. She does leave quite a bit of space for you to write with, but you get so many goodies. It's a really good mix. Fun colors. Really fun. I'm noticing a lot of these pages are really thick too. So if you love that, I mean, by thick, I mean cardstock, right? If you love that because you know that you're going to want to play with inks and stencils and sprays, then you would want this one for sure, because most of these pages are that thick cardstock. So it's going to take that ink and that paint better. You know, there's different things we want to use journals for. And sometimes we want lots of really thin pages because we're mostly going to be writing. Extra ephemera ribbon lace material and tags. Well, look at this. So you get an envelope here full of goodies. This is quite stuffed. You can see here there's fabric and tags and ephemera, and they all coordinate, so you can use them in this journal if you wish. And thank you very much, Cathy, for putting it in the journal like this and following the guidelines. It fits really nice in the journal, and that makes it super easy for me to keep everything together and ship it. And then y'all still get, everybody loves a goodie bag, right? So this is the Queen. And then look at this. This is intriguing to me because of this little, isn't that cute? That little door handle. And I'm trying to decide what I think the theme is of this. So I was thinking, I'm almost thinking like a subtle Alice in Wonderland, but it could just be like a monochromatic black and white, or I could be totally off. So let's find out. This is called, oh, it's called My Heart. So I was totally wrong. This is my kit, or not kit, but paper pack outside Grandma's window. And it looks like she's used that. How sweet. I created that in memory of my grandmother, who passed away when I was about 21-ish. And she loved birds. Cardinals for sure. It's not really a cardinal kit. I still want to make a cardinal kit in memory of her. But beautiful. I love the doilies. Y'all be happy that hopefully next week I will have some doilies in the shop. I just received a big shipment of colored doilies. Look at how pretty. And I need to, of course, get those in the shop. Piano music. Look at that, a little gold tag. I love all of these envelopes she's using. This is my paper add-on kit called Armitage Flowers. So is that. There's just 4 journal pages in it, but it's meant to do exactly what she did with it here. Here's another one of those. And that's just add it into a journal. Oh, so this is from Poison and Lace. I find it very interesting she put it in here, but look at how well it goes with that. It's a Halloween kit. But when I do Halloween kits, I stay away from the super like dark witchy stuff, and I go toward more of the October. I do like a little spook, so you got some skulls and spiders and stuff. But anyway, Farmhouse Daisies, Armitage Flowers. This is a nice chunky one if you like a lot of pages in your journal. Ooh, look at how pretty these are. Look at those. Cathy, those are beautiful. Kind of reminds me of Cindy Anderson's aesthetic, one of my suppliers. Gorgeous. I can tell you put a lot of thought into this journal. It's beautiful. Dangles. Got journal cards. I love your mix. Oh, look at how pretty. Your mix of modern and vintage. Here's from my kit, Birds and Bees. It's kind of my aesthetic too. I love to mix everything up and add a little of everything I love. This is from my kit, What She Wore, which is a vintage fashion kit. I just created 2 journal pages that go perfectly with this kit and the companion kit, What He Wore. You can find him over on my Creative Fabrica fans page. Link is in the description box below. It might not be live yet because yesterday I had added a whole bunch to be released in the next week, but it's called Measure of a Man journal pages, and it is vintage measuring of women and men for creating clothes, and it's really cool. So you might want to sign up and check that out. Industrial Hum, Pink and Yellow Bees. There's just a little bit of everything in here. Pink and Yellow Bees. Definitely eclectic. You could put an image on the front if you want, but I honestly love the understated cover. I think it's very pretty. We have one more journal to look at today. Look at this. So we have lots of beaded dangles here at the bottom. Look at how pretty those are. You see the detail on this fabric, like the little sequins and the gold threads. And then a lace cover. Look at that. It's like a pretty grungy, oh wow. Look at the detail. You see, oh my goodness, gorgeous. Flowers and ladies. Look at the edging. How pretty. Oh, a little ephemera folder. Cute. I love ephemera folders. You know I do. I kind of collect them. Ooh, here we got a... Oh, that's a beautiful feather charm. Look at these gorgeous pages. Got a beautiful little dangle up here. Very nice. I love how it's kind of eclectic, but yet it still kind of centers around her theme. It's really fun. Beautiful pages. A lot of these are thick papers. Again, so perfect for playing in. Whoop. Fun edgings. Got little pockets, ephemera, different size pages. I love a big doily page. There's a little, this is from Birds and Bees. Oh, and you get a goodie bag. I'm not going to open it, but you can see it's quite thick with lots of goodies. Cathy, they're beautiful. Thank you so much for inspiring us, giving us so much beauty to look at. Oh, wow. Anyway, I hope you all have a blessed day, and thank you so much for your support. I'm still getting back on track. I know it's Friday, and I know I should be back on track for my trip and everything, but it's not been as easy as I've expected. I am trying to catch up on orders, but that's, it's going to take a while. Hopefully by the end of next week, everything will be running smoothly again. But I do plan on shipping some orders today and just kind of keeping everything going. Got big plans with the shop and all sorts of things coming. So I really do thank you for following me. I hope you have a blessed day.